Welcome to my channel. My name is Nsina Mokbowa and I'm so excited to have you here. In this video, I'm going to be mentioning 10 mistakes you need to avoid when you are self-publishing. Okay, that's something you like to watch. Please keep on watching. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing because I bring interesting content on fashion, writing, and lots of story time. So if that's something you like, just subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. All right, the first thing. Get yourself a professional editor. Get someone that is well trained to edit your work. You don't want your readers to be all up in the world you've created and get yanked out because of a grammatical blunder, some names of characters that you have switched, or one thing or the other. So get yourself a professional editor to edit your book. Number 2, get yourself a professional graphic designer. Believe you me, although they say don't judge a book by the cover, people do judge books by its cover. So get someone that is well trained to design your book cover. Number 3, get started on creating your image as an author. I made that mistake. I waited until my book was already out before I started the steps on creating my image as an author. So don't wait for that. Start opening your Facebook page, get your Instagram page. Okay, get started. Do not wait until your book is out before you start building your author profile. Get started on it. That way you can start building buzz about your book, get people anticipating your book before it's already out. Really important. Number 4, get yourself a website. You don't have to go for anything big and fancy, but get yourself some kind of websites where you can market your book, where people can come to know more about you, sign up for your mailing list. Please, this is really important. This is one mistake I made. I actually working on getting a website right now, but this is something I should have done before my book was already published. So please get started on your website. Number 5, read the terms and conditions of any website you want to upload your book to. This is really important. I made that mistake. There was a particular website that I did not totally get the implications of their terms before I signed up, and at the end of the day it didn't end well actually. So make sure you understand the terms and conditions of any website or any ebook store you want to upload your book to. Really important. Number 6, do your keyword research. I wasn't really familiar with keywords, so I basically winged it when I uploaded my first book. So please learn about keywords. Ebooks are coming out every single day. Fiction, non-fiction, memoirs, they're getting out every single day. So it's very easy for your book to get lost in the sea of books that are available right now. But if you understand keywords and you make sure you get to your book the right keywords, it is easier for your readers to be able to find it and read. So make sure you understand keywords. I kind of understanding it right now that I have a YouTube channel, but back then I didn't really understand it. So make sure you get that, get into it. Number 7, sell your book on your own website. You see why you need that website? Sell your book on your own website. That way, whatever happens to any other website that your book is on, your readers can always come to your website and get your books. And it will be easier to get your mailing list, your mailing list started when you're selling your books from your own website. Apart from that, you can also give out samples, a sample of your upcoming book, and also get the mailing list. So it is very important that you try to get that website and get something started there. Very important. Believe you me, I'm trying to do that right now. Okay, number 8, it is so important, really important. Try and get reviews for your book before it is out. Give it out to people that review books, to however you want to get it. Get those reviews right in. Let me tell you why. When there's a new author or a new book out, readers will basically want to see reviews on the book before they buy it. I do this even with not just books. I do it with even anything I want to buy off the internet. I like to see reviews of what I want to buy, be it a particular weave, be it a gadget, anything I want to buy from the internet. I like to see reviews from people on that thing. So when there's no review, a reader is kind of like saying, oh well, what if people don't want to gamble with their money? So make sure you try and get those reviews. That is something I didn't do, and I'm paying for it dearly. But well, we learn every single day, right? Some people make mistakes and learn, others learn from people's mistakes. So learn from mine. Get those reviews right now before your book is out. All right, number 9, market your book. Number 9, market your book. Really important. Try to learn about YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads. Get all those information, and even if you want to get someone to do it for you, but make sure you do that, because since you're going to be uploading your book on the internet, it will be easier for you to get it across to people when they see those ads. So that's something, again, I didn't really know how to do, and I'm working on it right now. So please try to get yourself informed and get those ads running once your book is out. Okay, now number 10, talk about your book. Don't be ashamed to talk about your book. Everyone will like your book and everyone will hate your book. So talk about your book. Create a lot of buzz about it on the internet, on your social media platforms. Talk about your book, because if you don't talk about it, you might be losing a prospective reader. So talk about your book. Example of a way of talking about it is getting your book trailer out. That's something I'm also working on right now. I wish I had done that before my book was out. So get that trailer happening, get those ads happening, get that website happening, you know. All right, please, if you have learned anything from this video, tell me in the comment section. What are you doing right now? What steps are you taking? Which one haven't you taken? Let me know in the comment section. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It's really important, because I know that you like this content. I'll make more of this. Okay, so give it a thumbs up, let me know you like it, and share it with a friend or two that want to watch something like this or could be interested in something like this. Thank you so much for watching.